Hello kids, let's learn tenses, present, past and future. I cry, I cried. I will cry. I run, I ran. I will run. I jump, I jumped. I will jump. I eat, I ate. I will eat. I drink, I drunk. I will drink. I write, I wrote. I will write. I walk, I walked. I will walk. Great kids. I sang, I sung. I will sing. I dance, I danced. I will dance. I play, I played. I will play. I sleep, I slept. I will sleep. I work, I worked. I will work. Very nice kids. I cook, I cooked. I will cook. I study, I studied. I will study. I help, I helped. I will help. I smile, I smiled. I will smile. I laugh, I laughed. I will laugh. I draw, I drew. I will draw. Very nice kids. I paint, I painted. I will paint. I clean, I cleaned. I will clean. I climb, I climbed. I will climb. I fly, I flew. I will fly. Very nice. I drive, I drove. I will drive. I ride, I rode. I will ride. I catch, I caught. I will catch. I throw, I threw. I will throw. I kick. I kicked. I will kick. Great job, kids. I hit. I hit. I will hit. I punch. I punched. I will punch. I open. I opened. I will open. I break. I broke. I will break. I cut. I cut. I will cut. I bite. I bit. I will bite. Very nice, kids. I listen. I listened. I will listen. I look. I looked. I will look. I smell. I smelled. I will smell. I taste. I tasted. I will taste. I think. I thought. I will think. Great, kids. I speak. I spoke. I will speak. I argue. I argued. I will argue. I apologize. I apologized. I will apologize. I love. I loved. I will love. I like. I liked. I will like. I enjoy. I enjoyed. I will enjoy. I travel. I traveled. I will travel. Very nice, kids. I kiss. I kissed. I will kiss. I hug. I hugged. I will hug. I yawn. I yawned. I will yawn. I sneeze. I sneezed. I will sneezed. Very nice. I sit. I sat. I will sit. I fight. I fought. I will fight. I clap. I clapped. I will clap. I bounce. I bounced. I will bounce. Great job, kids! You are doing great. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.